Hey everybody, Zach Koops here with Harrisonburg Homes team and Klein May Realty. And today we are in Augusta County on the South River. Augusta County is just south of Rockingham County. But I wanted to show you this really sweet little farmette here on the river. And we've got also 14.5 acres on this farmette to take a look at as well. So if you like content like this, I appreciate you coming and checking us out. Please hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and click that notification bell so that you can be alerted whenever a new video comes out. And yeah, with that being said, enjoy the tour.
So the first thing I noticed about this home is that even though it's a custom designed and built timber frame home, it's just very unassuming, almost barn-like in structure with the board and batten siding, just very quaint, rustic looking, but you're gonna see inside just how really magnificent the construction is in here. And let's go ahead and take a look. So you'll immediately notice a barn beam style construction. And I wanted to walk all the way through and turn around and give you guys this awesome view of just the vaulted ceiling and all of these massive beams. I mean, just super cool. And a little tidbit about this house, it's designed and built by the same person who designed and built Blackfriar's Playhouse and Theater in Staunton, Virginia, which is just on the west side of Augusta County. And if you've ever been there to watch a play or see some Shakespeare, you're going to notice some of the similarities in all of the wood construction and the type of construction, the vaulted ceiling, the beams, the tongue and groove. It's just very similar, and you can really see how that comes through here. So some really cool touches in this house too. Lots of stained glass. Look for that everywhere, from light fixtures to windows to wall hangings. It's just everywhere, and really just doesn't take over or anything. It's just kind of a nice decoration, makes you look twice, and just takes you into the world of this house. So the kitchen has slate flooring, and then we move into the rest of the living areas with hardwood floor. And then we have 2 bedrooms on the main level. So here's bedroom number 1 with a vaulted ceiling as well. And then we'll go over to bedroom number 2 here, which is basically a mirror image of the one we were just in, but has its own character with that really cool looking chandelier and the stained glass window. And we have a bathroom that serves as a full bath here for both bedrooms, as well as just a bathroom for the main level of the house. Now I want to show you this door. Look at this little nook right here. The closet built out to the right. That's a coat closet there. And here's the doorway out onto the wraparound porch. Now take a look at this door here. These doors, the other door we came in by is just like this as well. Really just kind of a unique, its own almost medieval looking style. And there's a nice look at the hearth, and we'll head upstairs. So this door looks like an old barn door that had been repurposed. And here's a great look at that lofted area and all of the beam work. And up here, there's this large lofted area. I think that would be great for an additional living space, like just sort of a cozy relaxation area, reading nook, or even additional sleep space, maybe a pull-out sofa or something. And here's more of that stained glass. Take a look at that. So cool. Here we have a master bedroom. More stained glass, and just very artistic as well, meant to just bring the outdoors inside in a unique way. So there's an armoire here, and then also sort of a closet area behind it. And then also a balcony here with a beautiful view of just some of the surrounding acreage. As we come back inside, let's take a look at the bathroom here. Just about every room has its own unique light fixture hanging from the ceiling. So here we have a pedestal sink, soaking tub that has jets, commode, and then also a walk-in glass framed shower. And that's open to the lofted area as well, but let's head back downstairs. Another closer look at that dining lamp there. And down to the basement. Spiral staircase here. Try not to get dizzy. Now this space is a mixture of finished and unfinished. So I have an unfinished space here. It's meant to be, by the looks of it, a bathroom and closet. Finished space there, and then a finished bedroom space here. Quite a large room. Some mason jars on that light fixture. And I'm walking on ceramic tile here. Back here is an unfinished storage space area and utility closet, mechanical room. And another bedroom down here, finished space. Plenty of room for guests. Or if you want to have a sort of a cooler area in the summertime to sleep in, just hunker down here. Love that exposed brick wall. As we go back upstairs, I want to show you this laundry room over here. We sort of walked by this when we came in initially, and this is just meant to be sort of a mud room, laundry room, whatever you want to use it for a room. You certainly have plenty of space in here for additional pantry storage if you wanted to put some shelves up, that kind of thing. And very convenient right off the kitchen. So here is a pasture that really makes this an awesome farmette. So a fenced-in pasture area here for a couple cows, horses, goats, whatever you want. And then I think you'll really like how the river is down here. So let's take a little walk. Path cut perfect for four-wheeler or some sort of buggy. Any kind of all-terrain vehicle would work well. Fairly level path though, perfectly walkable. And then comes up into a clear-cut area in here, down by the river. You can see a little picnic table and set up right there. But check this out, just beautiful. Plop a canoe in, kayak, do some fishing, just sit around, relax, read a book, enjoy nature.
All right, everybody, that's going to wrap it up for today's tour. Thanks so much for joining me. Again, my name is Zach Koops, your realtor here in Harrisonburg, Rockingham County, and today Augusta County. If you have questions about moving to the area or would like to know anything more about Rockingham County, Augusta County, Harrisonburg, or properties like this one, feel free to reach out to me. The contact information is in the description below. And if you like content like this, please hit subscribe so that you can get updates on when new videos come out. Thanks again so much, and remember, it's your move.